What do you do when you're never satisfied? When you want to improve all the time? Where do you start? It's best to start from scratch, on a clean sheet. The result? The CLAAS continuously variable EQ200 transmission for the ARION 600-500 CMATIC series, developed specially by CLAAS with unique kinematics. The robust housing transfers all the mechanical loads. No additional reinforcement is needed. The intelligent design of the transmission housing prevents drag and improves efficiency, but still has up to 40 liters of oil available for hydraulic power consumers. The structure of the transmission is clear and simple, featuring a clever combination of hydrostat, stepped planetary gears, and a clutch unit. The hydrostatic system consists of two wide-angle hydraulic units, which operate interchangeably as either a hydraulic pump or a motor, depending on forward speed. As in every split-power, continuously variable transmission, the power from the engine is divided into a mechanical and a hydrostatic component by means of planetary gears. But instead of a simple planetary arrangement, the CLAAS EQ200 features a stepped planetary transmission. This stepped planetary transmission is intelligently interconnected by means of two multi-disc clutches. As a result, the transmission has two different drive ratios and also operates in different ways when they shift. The transmission keeps the tractor stationary in powered zero mode. There is no need to use the clutch or the service brake. In the first drive ratio, the tractor can start up or reverse completely smoothly and without any mechanical gear shifting in the transmission. In a moment, we will see the automatic shift from drive ratio 1 to drive ratio 2. These processes actually take place simultaneously and in fractions of seconds, but we can now look at them in detail. While the tractor is accelerating at full power, the rotational speeds of the two clutch shafts become closer and closer. The transmission reaches a perfect synchronization point without any complex electronic control systems. At this point, unnoticed by the driver, the multi-disc clutch automatically shifts to the second drive ratio. The entire power flow in the transmission now changes. The functions of the hydraulic units are reversed. The motor now operates as a pump and the pump operates as a motor. The stepped planetary transmission now demonstrates its full capability. It no longer splits only the power flow into a mechanical and a hydraulic component, but combines the two. These two drive ratios make the best technologies from two transmissions available in a single transmission. So what does it all mean for you? You are stationary on a slope in powered zero mode. You can change direction smoothly and start off again easily and safely. Acceleration from 0 to 50 kilometers an hour is absolutely uniform and very powerful, even under maximum load. There is no need for the driver to intervene to change the drive ratio. And the best thing is that you don't notice the shift at all, enabling you to take advantage of two different transmissions in one, automatically. This means that with the ARION 600-500 CMATIC, you are always working in the optimum range, whatever speed or power you happen to need at the time. The high uniform efficiency curve of the CLAAS continuously variable transmission guarantees low fuel consumption at all times and optimizes performance in all applications, particularly when working at very low speeds and during tillage or PTO work, and especially for transport. This is where the ARION 600-500 CMATIC really scores, with a maximum speed of 50 kilometers an hour at an engine speed of just 1500 RPM. It's amazing what you can do on a clean sheet. We have created a new benchmark for continuously variable tractors.